I think the CEO has actually, just highlighted to you the enormous benefits that we get from being given the opportunity to give Fiji as a location for movies to be shot in Fiji. Because as you can see how wonderful Fiji looks in the pictures, the ability to showcase the beauty, the pristine environment, and of course the people of Fiji, in terms of the friendliness of the Fijian people. As you know, that government had always said about this 47% tax rebate, essentially to not just promote Fiji as a location, but also we looked at the multiplier effect that shooting movies does bring about in Fiji. With those 400 people plus the 200 local crew, you have people, the 200 locals get employed, they have wages, they have a salary, they have opportunities to employment opportunities they never had before. Of course, the 400 expatriates who come in, the 400 Chinese crew, they eat here, they drink here, they're able to contribute to the economy, they use our services, so those things contribute. But apart from the sort of immediate impact of getting crews into Fiji is the secondary effect, which is promoting Fiji. And so this is why it is very critical that Tourism Fiji, including Fiji Airways, continues to work with Film Fiji to ensure that we get a much greater synergy and be able to tap into and resource of the resources that we have to be able to promote Fiji. And of course, many people who may be viewing this movie in China would be attracted by the beauty of Fiji, and of course be interested. Some perhaps have never heard of Fiji, and in this way they get to hear about Fiji. So it is very critical for us, as you know, that the rebate that we do give undergoes a very thorough assessment by FIRCA, ensuring that all the bills paid, the receipts paid, the money that has been spent are fully accounted for, and also at the same time that we are ensuring that it does come at a premium. So you can be rest assured that the system that we have in place is very transparent. It's a system that works. So obviously your second movie that you're going to make, and hopefully your third or fourth movie you're going to make, will also mean that you can be rest assured that the system is here to ensure that you get a return on whatever the law provides you to get. So thank you very much in showing confidence in Fiji. We look forward to working together with you, of course, with the Film Fiji. And we'd also like to acknowledge your local agent, Ms. Lenun Khan. And there are many, of course, other agents too in Fiji that various other productions are working through. And we'd like to recognize all the effort. And once again, we congratulate you on the movie, and hopefully it's providing good return for you. And we are quite happy to present to you this afternoon the tax rebate check.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.